type of content should I create for my channel?
What is that? What is that?
Tell me more.
It's important that you create content that you are passionate about. Research the content that is popular in that specific field. Have a look at what they do. Let's say you really love Spider-Man.
Like Phil Spider-Man?
So you search on YouTube things about Spider-Man and you see what things that you could do that you would really love to do. Is it reviewing the figures? Is it looking into the lore? Deep dive into those things and see what things work and what things don't, and then lean into that direction. If you're not passionate about the thing that you're talking about and could be talking about for years and years and years on end, it will show.
Kill me!
I've been on YouTube now for about 10, 11 years, and in all of the channels that I've started over the time, it's either been comedy, YouTube, cryptocurrency, and meditation. All of those happen to be part of me, and I'm willing to go out there to do the research and willing to get excited about it to make the content. That's the type of content that you should make on your channel.
Good question.
And there's more interesting questions that you need to know about in my frequently asked questions series right here.